Impala custom hardtop. And I've done pretty much all the body work, and I'm going to be painting it, and then I'm going to bring it to somebody else to do the interior. I got the glass out the other day and got a little bit of rust, but not too bad. Got a little bit on the bottom I'm going to have to work on right in there, but for the most part pretty good. All things considered, it had a pretty bad leak. So front of the car, I'm basically taking everything off that's chrome for the most part to get it ready for painting. And right now it's got these ugly center lines on there. I'm going to put some other ones on. And the interior, I've been having to sand some old rust out of there, and a lot of that color is just paint. It was when I first got it, I sprayed everything with this rust killing paint so it wouldn't continue. And now I'm grinding it out, and I had to cut a spot out right there under the driver, right there. And then I'm gonna end up putting in a plate in there, and should suffice. Let's see. I'm going to be building my own box for some really good speakers that I have. So that's it. 1968 Chevy Impala getting ready for restoration.